Good morning. This is Keisha here at TradeWithResolve.com, and this will be a live day trading video. Now, if you're interested in viewing live day trades along with learning some of the basic terminology that comes along when trading in the stock market, be sure to go ahead and click the subscribe button below for more content. It's currently 9:41 a.m. and I am still not in a trade. I'm typically in a trade within the first 10 minutes or so. However, I haven't really seen the setups that I typically trade, and so I'm just gonna wait for the ideal setup and just wait for the opportunity to arise. And that's pretty much what happens when it comes to trading. Every morning is a little bit different. Some mornings you're going to see your favorite setups immediately. Other mornings you may have to wait a little while for things to unfold and settle down. I'm going to continue scanning the markets here and wait for a potential trade. It is currently 10:13. I am just now in my first trade of the morning. I went in with a very small position size. I bought 3 contracts at 50 cents here on Alibaba. And I went in with a small position size because Alibaba can sometimes have wide spreads when it comes to trading the options. So I just wanted to kind of play it safe and go in with a very small position size here. And so I'm not expecting to necessarily make a lot of money on this trade by only investing $150, but I'm just looking for a quick momentum play here and we'll see what happens with it. Also, I bought 3 put contracts here, so I will make a profit if the price of Alibaba continues to move lower. So you can see here Alibaba is beginning to bounce just a little bit here, so I am exiting the position. I am all out for a $48 profit. Now remember, I only invested $150 into this trade and I made $48. So this was a 32% gain in just a few short minutes. So not a bad way to start off the morning. I'm going to continue to scan the markets and take 1 or 2 more trades and then I'll call it a day. I hope you enjoyed this live day trade, and if you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you're new to the stock market, consider checking out my Trading Essentials playlist to learn some of the terminology that comes along when getting involved in the stock market. It's located in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.